Welcome to the HardReset.Info POCO C40, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first, let's just hold for a while our device screen, and after that tap here on the settings icon, then click the transitions effect and select one from these available animations. For example, let's use the scoop or the cascade one. Just to save the changes, tap once or twice on the home button, and now we can see that we just successfully changed our device home screen animation. If you wanna just turn back the default one, by the same way, go to the settings, to transitions effect, and select the slide, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.